Hello everyone! Let's monitor the status of an internet service. We'll start by making a project and add the link to the status page of that service. Cool. Now let's select the data we're interested in. Now go to Integrations and create a new rule. Add a condition for the status to change. As for the action, we'll send a message through a channel. But first, let's connect Slack. Nice. Now we select a channel to send a message and we write it using the data we selected earlier. Triggering a test now. And it works! Great. Save the integration and we're done.